English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B2, adequate, criticism, grab. Adequate. Adequate is an adjective. B2 learners usually know adequate. Adequate means enough or good enough. Here are some examples. A classroom needs adequate ventilation. He has adequate time to prepare for the presentation. If you are taking a year off, you'll need adequate funds to support yourself. Criticism. Criticism is a noun. B2 learners usually know criticism. At B2, when a person says that something is good or bad, the result is criticism. Here are some examples. The film attracted a lot of criticism. She was unaware of the criticisms that were being made. It was a difficult essay to write. Do you accept the lecturer's criticism? Grab. Grab is a verb. B2 learners usually know grab. At B2, to grab means to take something very quickly. Here are some examples. I tried to grab the youth's jacket, but I missed. He suddenly grabbed his sweater and left the house. She grabbed hold of her son's hand as she rushed across the road. Now write some of your own sentences with adequate, criticism and grab. Download the free B2 workbook from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.